What is a LOMR and why does it matter to you as a homeowner? I'm Devin Sweazy with Sotheby's Realty, and today I'm going to break down a term that you may have never have heard of before, but it can have a big impact on your insurance rates. More importantly, peace of mind when you're buying a home in our coastal Florida plain. So what is a LOMR? This is an official document issued by FEMA. Basically, it's saying that our property has been reevaluated and that it no longer sits in a high-risk flood zone. Why would this happen and where do we see this? Well, in our geography here in Southeast Naples, we're going to see this a lot in our new construction communities, more specifically HOA communities. The builder and the developer are making improvements to raising the elevation of the land, and then they also have to change the drainage flow. When this happens, they can then request to be reevaluated for the flood risk in that specific land area. This is again really common in our Southeast Naples market. Once that builder submits everything and it is approved, an updated letter revises our official FEMA flood insurance rate map. As realtors, this is something we refer to as the firm map. It is something that the public has access to as well. You can go in, type your address, and it is going to let you know the elevation and your flood risk. In short, you guys, what this really does is it is taking your property out of a flood zone and it's moving it into a less risky one. It's going to matter to buyers because what it does is that it no longer requires you to carry expensive flood insurance, now making the purchase of your home more affordable. Specifically, this is going to be referring to the insurance that's recommended versus required. If you have a mortgage on your property, that lender will require you to have flood insurance if you are in a flood zone. This letter of map modification, so a LOMR, what it does is it removes that requirement, now making that insurance more affordable. Also, you can still purchase the flood insurance. It's just now at a more affordable rate simply because of where FEMA has you ranked in our flood categories. This is just one of the many layers to buying a home and doing it smart here in Southwest Florida. I'm Devin Sweazy with Sotheby's Realty, and I love helping you with everything real estate related.